Okay, so in this class we'll discuss these numericals, okay, the test 10B of chapter 10 light, okay. These are the questions. Let us start. In this class we'll do these two here, 12, and then we'll go to 18, okay. So let us start with question number 12, which you will find on the textbook, okay, page 195. Okay, let me read the question for us. A 4.5 centimeter needle, that means the needle here is the object, is placed 12 centimeter away from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. So let us write that down first. Since the question is saying, okay, since a 4.5 centimeter needle, okay, needle is placed 12 centimeter away from a convex mirror. So write along with me, okay, in your copy. Away from a convex mirror, very clearly a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. This much is given to us. This one is going to be important, this and this, okay. So as we did in the previous class also, let us draw an imaginary convex mirror here. Clearly the mirror is convex, so we have to be clear about that. So draw a line with your pen, no need of pencil skill, just rough. Now, as I said, this diagram is not necessary, okay, but we are drawing it because it really helps us to see the sign convention, to get the sign convention, whether it is plus or minus, okay. So we know the convention is whether concave or convex, reflecting must be on the left, and the lines here means the non-reflecting side should be on the right. And we know to find C, it's so simple. Follow the curve of the mirror and imagine a full ball, and the center of the ball will be inside the ball, right? Center of this ball will be inside the ball. Therefore, C cannot be here. This is wrong. The ball is like this for this convex mirror. If you plot your C out, it's absolutely wrong, right? Some people get it wrong like this because they do not understand this, that center C here is actually the center of the whole sphere from which this mirror was taken out. Now we know this is your P pole here, and between P and C halfway is called the focus. So this is our concave mirror. Now the object always placed above principal axis. We learned that in our sign convention. So let us imagine a object here, needle, this is the needle. So needle here is the object. Okay, and then top of the needle, bottom of the needle, let us say. So the distance of the needle from P is called the object distance U, which is here. Not okay, before that, here the needle is actually 4.5 centimeter tall. So it is above the principal axis, means it should be plus, right? And it is placed 12 centimeter away from the convex, means this is the convex mirror here, right? This is the convex mirror. This is real convex mirror. We're placing like this, the blue side doesn't reflect, so we have to put the needle on the left. No reflection will take place if we put it on the right, because this side, blue side, is not reflecting, so this should be on the left. So 12 centimeter means on the left, so this will be object distance 12 centimeters, so it should be minus, right? Minus. So having done that here, the focal length is 15, so we know the distance between capital F and the P here is called the focal length, so that is 15 centimeter. It's on the right side of the P, so it will be plus. So this way, if we draw the rough diagram, we begin to know whether f is plus or minus, u minus, ho plus or minus becomes easy. That's why. Otherwise, after you have solved enough and become so comfortable, this is not necessary to show on your answer script. But if you do, then especially in the beginning, it really helps you. Okay, so here, by following our sign convention, because we need to follow sign convention to form or to solve every numerical in this chapter on reflection, even refraction also. So here, HO object height is plus 4.5 centimeter, as you can clearly see in the diagram. U object distance is minus 12 centimeter, and here small f focal length is plus 15 centimeter. Okay, what is the question asking us? Let us do by thinking a lot slowly, really understand it, and not so hard that way. Okay, give the location of image and magnification. So location of image means image distance actually. So v equal to question mark. Let us just use the language of the text. Location of image. Okay, location of image. Then magnification. So magnification means small m. These two we have to find out. Okay, this is the numerical solving part. And then finally we have to do something that we can do later on, that describe what happens to the image when the needle is moved away further from the mirror. That will answer in the end. Okay, so here let us start here. As we said, these 5 mirror formulas has to be kept in our mind very well, so that we can retrieve it from our memory very easily. Okay, that way it means we have to thoroughly memorize so that we can easily retrieve it from our memory. Now here we need v and m. We have u and f already. So here u and f we already have, means we can use the first formula to find v, which is location of image. So let us start from there. Since we know 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, let's go about it slowly so that we understand it well, and I hope you're writing along with me. If you write along with me as we take the class, you will really understand it. Okay, so here 1 by v we don't know yet, plus 1 by u here, minus 12. So let's just put the right values in the right places. That's the first thing we need to do. Is equal to 1 by f, and f here is plus 15. So you can put your plus 15 centimeter. Here, even if you don't put a plus, it's okay. But even if you put, it's actually not wrong. Actually, it's good because we are using sign conventions in this chapter, right? So here, that implies 1 by v plus and minus is minus 1 by 12 centimeter. And 1 by 15 centimeter. Now you can neglect the plus sign if you want. Then we want the v, so we take the term 1 by v containing v alone without moving, and 1 by 15 also same side, we didn't shift, still on the right side, so no change. This one we shift it to the right side, then it becomes plus 1 by 12 centimeter. Next job is we find the LCM of these two denominators. Now 15 and 12. The normal way of finding my prime factorization, that's quite fine, okay? But especially when there are only two numbers, easier than that is to just do directly. How do we do that? We take the bigger one always, 15, which is bigger than 12, and start writing the multiplication table of the bigger. 15 ones are 15. The first multiple doesn't go with smaller, so continue till you get the first one. 15 twos are 30. Still 30 is not a multiple of 12. Then 15 threes are 45. Still 45 doesn't go with 12. In other words, 45 is not divisible by 12. Then continue till you get the first one. 15 fours are 60. And now this is the first multiple of the bigger number 15, which is also a multiple of 12. See, 60 is going with 12. 12 fives are 60. So it is 60 is also a multiple of the timetable of 12. So that is called, the first one is the smallest one. That's why it's called least common multiple. Or in short, we say LCM. So 15 fours are 60, just now we saw there. 4 ones are 4. plus 12 5s are 60, so 5 1s are 5. Let's go about it slowly and thinking a lot. That way we understand it well, right? 4 plus 5 is 9, so let us write that. Divided by 60 centimeter. Now 3 is going, so let us try. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 0. Right, so let us cross multiply. So V down and up is 3V. After that equal, and then cross multiply means down and up again. 21s are 20 along with a centimeter. So this is called cross multiplication. So we got our first value for V is equal to 20 by, this 3 will come down, so 20 by 3 centimeters. Let us not divide now, in the end we can do it. So this is done. Now we need to find this. So let us go and try to find that. Here, as we continue doing, we will get here. We can do slowly. Since we know the formula for M, I think this time we need to use minus V by U. Why? Because minus V is also there now, and U is there here already. We can't use the HI by HO because HI is not yet not given. So let us do that now here. That will be equal to, so let us just keep some space there, equal to long line first, and then minus here. Don't forget about this minus that belongs to the formula. And then V here is 20 by 3, so write that 20 by 3 centimeter. And U is here, as you can see, minus 12 centimeter. See here. So this here, we can just cancel this minus up and down if you want from here itself. And then we can write here the reason. Since using equation number 1 and knowing that U value is given in the question as minus 12 centimeter. Object distance is 12 given in the question. So now just next step is we write this one upper part of the long line above the long line. Just write as it is into, then this division sign change to multiplication, then 12 means 12 by 1, so 1 will go up and 12 which is down along with the centimeter will come down. Do slowly. So here centimeter up and down cancel. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20 is going. So this is cannot cancel anymore, so we're getting here plus 5 is there up and down is here 3 3s are 9. So this is the second value. This is equation number 2. So we're ready to write our answers. So let us do that. First answer, location of image. So let us do that. Since we got here V is equal to plus, as you can see here, 20 by 3 centimeter using equation number 1. Okay. Using equation number 1. Now let us divide now. This we can divide now. 3 6 are 18, 2 in hand, point 20, 3 6 are 18, 6 are 18. Up to second place, normally they go, okay, in your textbook. Some textbook even go to third place. But that's okay now. So second place means, what do? We look at the second place, and if it is 5 or more than 5, here it's more than 5, right? So this will increase by 1. So this is the approximate value. Now we write here, which is positive because it's plus value, not minus. So what would you write your location of image? According to the language of the text, we can write now. Therefore, location of image is 6.7 centimeter, comma, plus means behind, and behind we know the meaning is right side, behind this or this convex mirror, okay, behind this convex mirror, plus This is correct because convex mirror can form only virtual erect behind. You cannot form real inverted in front. So this must be correct. So this is the first answer. Then second answer, they're asking for magnification. So you write here. And they're asking for magnification. Magnification M is equal to here, there, plus 5 by 9, as you get this one by using equation number 2. And please proceed and divide this one. So here, if you divide this, 5 is divided by 9, 0 point only, then it will go because 5 is less than 9. 9 5s are 45. 5 in 9 5s are. So you can stop there, okay? So the value there is given as, 12. Let's see the textbook answer. Is given on it. Number 12 is not given. So we can just write as 0.55. So you write here plus 0.55, the value, which is approximately, we can just write here one more if you want, third place. In this case, it will help us. So there we go to third place means this is more than 5 or more than 5, then this will increase of 5, 6. So approximately 0.56, or you can even say 0.6. Okay, so this is the answer. Now last part of the question is saying, describe, last sentence, look there. Describe what happens to the image as the needle is moved away from the mirror. So we know this one. We have learned this in our previous class also. So we can write that here. You know here, in question number 29, I think. Formation of image by convex mirror in the two cases. First, when the object convex mirror was there, let me explain it. C, F and P. When the object was at infinity, image was here. I1, let us say, exactly at focus. When the object was between infinity and P, object was brought closer, the image was here, small image between P and F. So what does that tell you? This question is saying, what happens when the image of the needle, what happens to the image as the needle is moved away? Now this case where we studied in our class was, object was very far away and brought nearer. But here they are saying, the object is near, now you take it away, then what will happen? Previously, when the object was away and brought nearer, the image was at F and began to shift away from F towards P. So now this will be reversed. As you move the object, needle object more and more away, the image which is between P and F will begin to move towards F or away from P. So our answer is S, D, write down. Needle means the object is moved, last part of the answer, okay, this one, moved farther from the mirror. Farther means more away. Farther from the mirror, more away from the mirror. If you take the object away, mirror, the image, what happens to the image? Image moves moves closer towards focus, and focus here is the capital F. As I said, when we were studying, the object was away and brought nearer, and the image began to move away from F, between P and F. But here the object is near and taken away, then the reverse will happen. Now the image will begin to move towards F. So that's our answer. Refer this here. You can write here after you answer, like this, and write hint. Refer question 29, I think. Tuition note. Then you will understand. That question number 29, tuition note is object is brought closer to the convex mirror. Here this one is object is moved away from the convex mirror. Okay. So that answers your first question. Everything solved. Now we'll go and do 18, and then We'll do the next two in the next class, in a separate class, okay? So let me read the question. Next is 18. It's on page 196. Question number 18. Let's write down question number 18. Textbook, page 196. Let's write it down. Let me read the question for us. Here the question is saying an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror, again this time also convex, focal length 15. So let us write that. Since an object, okay, is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror, okay, from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. This is given to us, of 15 centimeter. With this, let us try to draw. They're saying find the position and nature of the image. So this is not important, but it helps us. So we're going to draw convex, reflecting side facing left, non-reflecting side on right. This is the ball, means the center of the ball will be on the right side. Middle point is F, this is P. The object is placed. This is our object. Is placed 10 from the mirror, means we know object should be always on the left. If mirror is placed like this, facing left, then how can you place the object this side? No reflection, this side, left side. So it'll be this one. So this is the 10 centimeter, means object distance minus convex mirror focal length 15, means the distance between P and F, this one is 15 centimeters, so it will be plus because it's measured on the right side, as we can clearly see here. So we can write here plus 15 centimeter. Okay, now this much only is given. So here we write down very clearly object distance u minus, because it's on the left. Focal length F will be plus 15 because it is measured on the right, because it's convex. And find the position and nature of image. So position of image means V, question mark. Let's just use the language of the text. Position of image. And as yesterday we have already discussed, nature is, the best way to find nature is M. So let's keep it like that. Now let us start. U and F are there, so easily we can get V by using the first formula. So let us do that. Since we know by the main mirror formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So that implies 1 by V, we don't know yet, plus 1 by U minus 10, and 1 by F is plus 15 centimeter, as we can see here. Right? So let us continue doing it. As we do it, the next one, here we're going to get here, that implies 1 by V plus into minus, minus will come up now, and here 1 by 15 centimeter. Since you are more comfortable, we can move faster in this case. So here 1 by V, the term containing V, we keep it on the same side. 1 by 15 is also on the same side, so nothing changed. Shift this side and become plus 1 by 10 centimeter. Minus become plus as you shift it to the right side from the left side. So here 1 by V Now 15 2s are 30, and 30 is the first one that go with 10, so 30 is the LCM. 2s are 30, 2 1s are 2, 10 3s are 30, 3 1s are 3. So 1 by V will be 5 divided by 30, because 2 plus 3 is 5, right? 5 6 are 30, so 1 is left here. So cross multiply V to 1, then 1V, no need to write 1. Then this one, 6 will multiply this one, 6 1s are 6. And no sign means plus is there. So we got our V. So keep that as equation number 1. Now we need to find M for the nature. So since we can easily use M is equal to minus V by U, because mirror is formula number 4 there, minus V by U. So we can just write here, long line. V is just now plus 6 centimeter. And not to forget this here. There is a minus in the formula itself. And U here is here. You can see minus 10. So minus 10 centimeter. You can put it there. And then cancel this minus here. In the up one with down one. And we can write here, since we know that using equation number 1 for the value of V here, 6, and knowing that U value is minus 10 centimeter. So we know that, so that's why we're putting these two values there. Okay. Now centimeter and this two could also cancel. Now we don't cancel 6 and 10 anymore. Even though we can with 2, but because 10 is so easy to divide. See, the advantage there is here. You're going to get equal to, divide by 1 0 means decimal will move from here to the left side of 6. So 0.6, so 0.6. And no unit. M never have unit, so that is the M. So we're now ready to answer our final question. So let us do it here. Since, okay, they are saying first one, position of image. So V, that is, we got it as plus 6 centimeter. Since using equation number 1, comma, which is clearly positive, right? So because it's positive, therefore, using the same language of the text, position of image is this one, 6 centimeter, comma, plus means behind, right? Or we can also say it as behind or right side, behind the or this particular convex mirror. So that is the location of the image, position of the image. And second part, they're asking nature. So M tells you the best way to find nature, plus 0.6, as you get this one by using equation number, let us say this is 2. So by using equation number 2, so we can write it here, which is, clearly positive, right? Plus 0.6 is positive, which is clearly positive, and also smaller than 1. 0.6 is definitely smaller than the number 1, right? Yesterday we have learned this, so we'll just write directly the nature. So from here you can easily know the nature. Therefore image is, right, nature positive means always virtual, erect. Negative means we know real inverted. And the value great smaller than 1 means surely the image will be diminished. This is correct because we know that convex mirror can form only virtual erect and diminished. It cannot form magnified virtual image. This is the second answer, nature. And this is the first answer, the position of the image. Okay.